Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Google Forms and creating a new blank form. Name it clearly so respondents know the purpose. Add a short description to set expectations. Once done, pick where responses go. Link a Google Sheet if you want live analytics. Make sure to choose quiz only if you need automatic grading, otherwise keep it as a standard survey. These first steps save time later, and they determine how you collect and manage data, so don't skip them. Now focus on the middle, crafting questions and flow. Add questions with appropriate types, use multiple choice for categories, short answer for comments, and linear scale for satisfaction. Once done, mark essential items as required and add validation to prevent bad data. Then insert section breaks to organize topics. Make sure to apply conditional branching so respondents only see relevant questions. This improves completion rates. Take your time. Finish by previewing and testing your form end-to-end. You should answer every branch, verify required fields, and check validation messages. This reveals cadence issues and typos. Next, adjust settings. Collect email addresses if needed, limit to one response, or allow edits after submit. Then distribute via link, embed, or email and watch responses stream into your sheet. If something goes wrong, first test in preview mode and check section branching. Most errors are misrouted sections or incorrect go-to-section rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.